www.greatlook.com. Unsurpassed service for an unsurpassed look. Doctors Todd and Sam Shatkin, the Aesthetic Associates Center. Award-winning skill, world-class reputation, wonderful results. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from our patients.
Sometimes it can be a little intimidating to have a cosmetic procedure done, especially when you're not sure what to expect. And I'll admit I was a little bit nervous going into any procedure that I've had done, and nervous for no reason. Everything was quick and painless, and it's amazing that you can walk in and walk out looking that much better. You almost don't believe it until you have it done. Being a patient at the Aesthetic Associate Center for over 10 years has been a rewarding and gratifying experience for me. I've recommended the Aesthetic Associate Center to many of my friends and my family, and everybody has had such an incredible experience.
Dr. Samuel Shatkin of the Aesthetic Associates Center, offering unsurpassed plastic surgery and skincare services. Twice noted by the Consumer Research Council as a Top Surgeons in America award recipient, Dr. Sam Shatkin heads up the Surgery Center, rated as one of the top ambulatory surgery centers in Western New York. Dr. Sam Shatkin's one-of-a-kind facility is equipped to handle both surgical and non-surgical procedures, offering rejuvenation without lengthy recovery periods.
I had the benefit of receiving several awards in my career. I've been in practice for almost 25 years. And to some extent they're important, mostly for the patients to recognize that these awards suggest that I've accomplished certain things. But I don't really like to dwell on the awards. I just think that these things come by good patient care and good service to my patients. And when they recognize that I care about them, I think that's the reward that I'm looking for. When a patient comes to the office and I consider what their interests are, my first and foremost is to try to figure out what bothers them and what I can do to help them. We have a lot of different tools in our armamentarium to try to help them, whether it be for beautification or reconstruction. We need to figure out what it is they want and then try to make a plan and discuss the options with the patient.
I'm extremely proud of the results that I got from the procedures I've had done with Dr. Shatkin. Again, it's absolutely incredible that such a minimal thing can make such an impact. I'm a lot more confident walking around. I used to try to buy products to minimize, I started to have some fine lines in this area, some lines in my forehead. After getting the Botox treatments in my forehead, fine lines are diminished. I just feel rejuvenated.
Look, after 10 or 12 years in professional hockey, I can tell you my face was a mess at that point from scars and lacerations, and over the years I had teeth knocked out, some were half out, never went back in right again, they were crooked, they were dead, bad stitching jobs and all the rest of it, and I got into the TV industry as a broadcaster with the Buffalo Sabres. And I wanted to look my best, so I had an appointment with Dr. Shatkin. We sat down, talked about it, and it was a very simple procedure. It was a couple injections, and all those things that were bothering me cosmetically were gone. Were gone just like that. There was also this holistic approach that he brought into this whole game. And that is probably what I enjoyed as much as anything. I'm a better person for it. My weight's down, I feel better about myself, my head's in a better place. That appointment was a game changer for me.
I'm Dr. Rose Birkin. I'm a board-certified anesthesiologist. I've been working with both Dr. Todd and Dr. Sam Shatkin for over 10 years. In any office-based procedure, safety is the primary concern. And you have to have a board-certified anesthesiologist taking care of the patient while the surgeon or the dentist is performing a procedure. It's vital to keep track of how the patient is doing, all the vital signs, and make sure that there are no untoward events. The IV sedation in the office-based setting provides comfort for the patient. They come in, they're relaxed, they tolerate procedure very well, and again, safety is our #1 priority. Everything is done in a safe environment, and they're comfortable and happy.
The skincare product lines that the Aesthetic Associate has have been advanced in recent years. We've got product line that are custom blended for our own patients that I even put my name on. That's how important they are for me. I want to make sure that they're getting the different kinds of products that are going to make a change in their appearance and make them feel really good about what they're doing. We've got lines that include for anti-aging. We have lines that are included for acne patients because we see that as a larger area of our population now, both adult and teenagers. And we have a product line for maintenance, the sunscreen line, which will help prevent some of the sun damage and the change that people see during their lifetime. We've got a whole array of different products, and I think the patients that have used our products are very pleased with the results.
My name is Lydia Dominic, and I've heard about the Aesthetic Associates Center from anyone that has had a great experience in dental or plastic surgery in Buffalo or in the surrounding area. So many people that I know that have had work done would never let me go anywhere else, bottom line. The customer service here is astonishing. Everyone knows why you're here, what needs to be done, and they get you in and out fast. Great bedside manner, they're incredibly hospitable, and you could never hope to have nicer people next to you when you're having something done that you're scared about. With the Aesthetic Associates Center, whether you're working with Dr. Todd or Dr. Sam Shatkin in plastic surgery or in dentistry, they make it very comfortable, whatever procedure you're having. It's painless, it's easy, you leave in either great shape or with a big smile on your face, usually both.
Whether it's a dental procedure, cosmetic surgery, I highly recommend you use Aesthetics Associates Center, and you'll leave with a smile on your face.
The Aesthetic Associates Center, nationally recognized innovators in the fields of cosmetic dentistry and plastic surgery, have been bringing world-class healthcare services to Western New York patients for decades. Combining the latest treatments and cutting-edge technology with their seasoned expertise, Drs. Todd and Sam Shatkin are your guides to feeling better, looking better, and becoming a better you. Drs. Todd and Sam Shatkin, the Aesthetic Associates Center. Award-winning skill, world-class reputation, wonderful results. 2500 Kensington Avenue, Buffalo, New York, 14226. www.greatlook.com. Unsurpassed service for an unsurpassed look.
Well, we're very fortunate to have had the opportunity to practice with our father for over 20 years. And now we're continuing to practice together, and hopefully for many, many years to come.
Our father inspired us to work hard. He had a work ethic that prompted him to achieve a lot in his lifetime, and the two of us are trying to accomplish what he was able to accomplish by being both a dentist and a plastic surgeon.